Last night read off on a note on my phone, and I've said this month I'm making my first 10K and move to another place. I literally cry while I'm right out on that thing. Right now I'm how people teaching people learn English, but I no feel fulfillment from it. So I will shut down the service in May. That's the reason why I'm trying to manifest. I manifest I have 30 new students in this month. April helped me hit the first 10K, move to another place, lock in that, and start my consulting business, help people make money from train myself, learn English, start personal brand, leverage their brand, optimize their brand, scale their brand. This is my program. I feel like imagine I feel so happy when I could do all this shit thing. I don't know, like, do you ever feel this feeling? But after that point that you're making money, like enough for you just living in around like 6 months without thinking about, worrying about, do you have enough money for you just to pay all this, like food, rent house. When you have enough money for you just living, you want more. Another point is not just about money, that's the feeling, because the feeling is so proud, so happy when you do all these things is more important than chasing money. I'm not a person chasing money. I mean, like, maybe you feel shit when I'm saying all these things, but I'm not working for money. I'm not chasing money. Even, I know that money helped me have this dream life where basically I could order everything. I'm going to the coffee shop and just order back solo without thinking the price. The feeling that's so crazy, but I'm working for a minute, and making money is just number 2. Number 1, that's fulfillment. So because I don't feel happy, so I decided shut down my company, my toy agency, and start my new journey, new chapters. I don't know, just recently my idol, so he completely shut down his company, consulting business, and he started personal brand company, and he said that he will create the biggest event in the world in person. I want to join that event. I want to join and meet all the crazy people. I imagine the happiest moment that I could meet all of you guys. All of the guys I really respect, learn all this thing about them, and just I'm one of the person in that events and absorbing all of the crazy knowledge. Proud of myself. Do whatever I want, travel, help people make more money, change their life, and people, DM me and say, thank you so much. You changed my life. Help me have more money for just living without thinking about all these things, because I know that if you don't have money, it's so hard for you to have time thinking about, what I should doing right now. Where's my mission? If you don't have money, it's so hard for you to just step back and think about all these things. I want to start my consulting business. That's completely I want to make it as an element in my program. My ANG TOEIC, I will turn it in another program, that ANG coaching, ANG mentorship program. where basically I help every people, all people learn about tweeting, mindset, English, and skill. Basically that brand is a skill. Yeah, I love all the things because I think really tweeting helped me hit my first 5K, and next in this month, April, hit my first 10K. I don't know. I feel like God will help me have new 30 new student. I will choose all the things I wanna do. You know, even when I say all the things with my mom, my dad, and she said, "Are you crazy? You guys are making money from it. Are you crazy?" When shut down it. But I know what I'm feeling right now. If I'm not feeling good, not feeling happy about all the things I'm doing, I don't think I could do it for a long term. Where basically all the things would help me hit first 5K. That's not 1 month or 2 months, it's 1 year, completely 1 year where I basically enhance myself, development, train my mindset, learn more skill, apply all the skill in reality, and all the shit in, hopefully making more money, right? So I want to train my environment. I really love vlog. I really love the journey. Like I document my whole life from literally nothing to $3 million in my bank account, and I love that journey. And I upload it on my YouTube and all this thing is the only thing I wanna do, and help people and do all this thing. Even it's so hard. I think this is so hard. You know, but this is my life. This is my life. So I will make it happen. I will make it happen. Do all the things I love. Help people. Do whatever I want. Yes. So thank you. I promise. Hit the first 10K in this month. I wanna do it. I wanna get that point. So God will help me. My team will help me, and everybody will help me. Thank you.